Let's see how to share a folder over Wi-Fi in Windows 11. Notice that this method only works if both computers share the same network. It won't work if they're on different networks. Assuming they are, let's start. First, we click on the Windows Start menu icon and look for Wi-Fi settings. Once you find it among the options, choose it. Here, you should be able to see the Wi-Fi network you're connected to, and we need to click on it. And we're going to change the profile of this network from public network to private network. Notice that it does have security implications, so you should only do it on networks that are reliable and safe from malicious users. Next, we click on the Windows Start menu again, and this time we look for Manage Advanced Sharing Settings. We just configured our Wi-Fi network as private, so let's open the settings for private networks. And here, we need to make sure that Network Discovery is on, and we also need to turn on file and printer sharing. Next, under the All Networks category, we turn off Password Protected Sharing. Leaving it on will require you to have a user on the computer that you're willing to share its credentials. Let's now create the folder that will be shared. I'll place it on my C drive and call it TFWBS, for this folder will be shared. And let's place a text file in the folder. Now we need to right-click on the folder and choose Properties. We then navigate to the Sharing tab and choose Share. From the drop-down box, we choose Guest and add it to the list. We can choose the permission level for guests, which can be either read-only or read and write. We then click on Share, and the folder is shared. Next, we need to find the IP address of this computer on the network. To do that, we can click on the icon of our Wi-Fi network, then click on the small right arrow. We can see the list of available networks, and the first one in the list is the one we're connected to. So let's click on the small Info icon. And down here, where it says IPv4 address, we can see the IP address of this computer. So we're done with the sharing computer. Let's move over to the computer from which we want to access the shared folder. Okay, I'm on my other computer, and I want to access the shared folder from here. Let's open the File Explorer. And in the address line, we type // then the IP address of the sharing computer. We get a box where we need to provide our credentials, but since we allowed guest access, we just write guest for the username and leave the password blank. And here we can see the shared folder along with its content.